What's up everybody, this is CryptoBox with another video. If you're new here, I make videos daily about blockchain games and NFTs. Subscribe if you're here to make some gains. And also I have started a new Discord and Telegram about a day ago, and here you can ask me any questions, you can discuss with others, you can give me some suggestions for my next video, and etc. So you can do whatever you want on my Discord platform, just make sure to follow the rules. And so let's get into the video. So in today's video, we're going to be covering how to stake in Binamon and also what are the APY that I'm going to be receiving. I'm going to put about $214 into the staking, and we're going to do one of the pools, and it has an insane amount of APY of 14,000 APY. So let's start the video already. So first off, you're going to have to exchange half of the tokens you're gonna be using. So if you have around $200, you're gonna put $100 in like if you're doing a BSD to Binamon, then $100 in BSD and $100 in Binamon. So first off, you're gonna have the contract address of the token that you're gonna be using if it's not in PancakeSwap. So we're gonna look for Binamon here, and we're gonna copy their Binance Smart Chain address, and we're gonna put that into the exchange because we're gonna have $107 into BUSD and $107 into Binamon. So here we'll click import, and we'll click I understand and import, and so we're gonna do $107 because we have $214 to deposit, and so we're receiving 226 Binamon tokens. And we're gonna just check for the slippage, and let's go and click swap. So then you'll pay a really small gas fee, which is basically nothing to you. And right now it's not showing because for privacy reasons and etc. So after that, we're gonna have to wait a few seconds. I'm not sure how long it usually takes, but there you go, transaction receipt. So that means you can just check it on Binance Smart Chain. Once you're done swapping and exchanging, you're going to go to the liquidity section, and you're going to import the pool, and then you're going to choose the two tokens that you're going to be using for the pool. Once you've chose the two tokens you're going to be using for the pool, so I'm using Binamon to BUSD. Once you're done with that, you're going to click add liquidity, and so right here you can put how much you want to use, but make sure it's like half and half. So I'm doing about $107 on each token, and then we're going to click enable. So this is basically the same thing as clicking approve in those Mobox and Zoo platforms. So once you're done approving your Binamon to BUSD or whatever you're going to be using, then you're going to be clicking supply right there. So once you've clicked supply, then you'll be able to actually get the LP tokens you're looking for into your MetaMask wallet. So we're going to click supply, and then we're going to click confirm supply. So this is basically both of them in the same tokens. So it's like basically it's just your LP tokens, your liquidity pool tokens. So that's them combined, and so you're going to be having whatever you're going to be having will be shown in your MetaMask wallet. I'm going to have 146 LP tokens. Then once you're done with that, it's going to show up in your balance. Here, once you refresh, as you can see, it says balance right there, Binamon to BSD balance. Then after that, you're going to put the amount you're going to be using. So make sure you're using the proper amount, because don't put anything after 0.4. Don't put anything like that. So like after the decimal, don't put too many numbers, because that's going to increase the gas fee and make it look like it's an incredible amount of gas fee like from Ethereum blockchain. So make sure it's only one number after the decimal, not like 3 or 4, because then your gas fee price will be insane. Don't put some 0 after the 4 or something like that. Just make sure it is one number after the decimal, and then there we go. Now we're done with that. It says that reward per block and all of that, and then now you can see I'm already earning BNRG right there, and you can collect them anytime. So I'm already staking, and so that's basically how you do it. So make sure when you're inputting the amount, make sure it's not many different decimal numbers. Make sure it's only one, not 2, not 3, not 4, because then it's gonna make this problem where I had this problem a long time ago too, where I put so many decimals that I made it half a BNB just for the gas fee. And so I thought I was out of my mind, and I learned quickly that it's actually because adding so many decimals and stuff like that makes it just inconvenient for the system. So make sure you do that proper, and then you'll be good to go. And then that's the end of the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Join my Discord, join my Telegram. Let me know how you think of this video and what you can suggest to me. Comment what you want for the next video and what game you recommend. And peace.